Hello everyone. Audible to everyone? You can react with the emojis, so that will be helpful. Okay, that's great. That's great. Okay, so before starting to the session, so let me introduce myself. Myself Deepak Chawla. I am a founder of High Devs and AI House, where we are building world largest generative AI workforce. And today we are going to learn proper things related to the AI agents, RAG, how to build agent, how to deploy it, MCP evaluation, the lot of things that we are going to cover in next 3 days. Okay. And by the way, I'm a vegetarian person, so please don't share the leg pieces with me. I don't eat. Okay. Thank you. And so what is it to be about to this particular thing? Okay, so hope the screen is visible to everyone. Can you please react? The screen is visible or not? Okay, okay, it's visible. Great. So actually, there is one series which is currently going on. So AI House has been collaborated with the Google Build with AI campaign, Google for Developers, where we are doing 45 days of the program to empowering the builders across the nation. There are the 15 events across the 10 cities of India that we are doing. And at the last and the final day, we are going to do a proper grand finale hackathon at Google office. So at 8th of August 2026. Okay, so this is one. And how you can be the part of it. So that's very simple. Okay, so before coming on that, what actually is going to be happen? So you have a proper chance to build the AI agent, submit to on our platform, and after that you can be the part of the system and then start collecting the votes, feedback, and proper analysis to make sure that your agent should become at the top 100. That will be the full day hackathon at Google Office Bangalore. How it's going to be work? So you have to submit your agent, you have to collect the community feedback, your leaderboard. You should be on leaderboard automatically, and top 100 will select it. And submission deadline is 15th of August. Submission means the last submission of the top 100. Okay, so voting line going to be closed at the 5th of August. Submissions also close at 5th of August, but you have to submit as soon as possible. The soon you submit, the soon you can able to come on the top 100. That's the whole game. One flow, one leaderboard, one finale. How the score of leaderboard is going to be calculated? 50% of the analysis that we are going to do, 25% votes that you have to collect it, 25% feedback that you have to collect from the your community and network. What you are going to be receive? Swags, final seat, surprises, gifts. Now, if I talk about the AI house, so I don't think this image will give you what is AI house. So I will show you this one. So this is AI house. So this is a proper house available and in the Bangalore HSR layout, where a lot of people, lot of builders are coming day to day doing a lot of things. Okay, and you can be the part of it, like if you are an AI ML engineer, early stage AI founders, if you are a student and career transaction, then you can be the part of AI house. Every weekend we have the different kinds of the community feedback that with the help of it you can make yourself ready. These are the leading companies that are working with us. Our impact till now, we have 15,000 community members, 100 plus community activities available into the multiple colleges and have been partnered with the multiple community partners. You will get a build-centric community, no fees, nothing is open for the community. Real feedback. You can, if you are doing something great, like example, you are building something, you are launching something, then you can be able to come and submit your agent. And if you want to be built in AI house, you can come. We don't charge anything. If you want to be showcase something to me, my founding team, most of the time we are available at AI house. These are the few events are happening in Bangalore. So this is happening in coming Saturday. This is also happening on Saturday. This is Sunday. This is happening in US on Monday. And all events are available on Luma. We will share you the link. These are the few numbers that I told you. These are the companies. The people are keep on coming on our community activities. So these are all the things that we started. We started on the 24th. So this journey is available. These are the snapshot of the past event, as you can see on the screen. This is a few images of the last event. Yes, we did the event with the Cube as well. Nation, we are available. So this is about the AI house. Hope everyone is on the same page. Anyone have any questions? Please go ahead. No questions. That's great. Now I will show you how you can be the part of the AI builder. So this is our platform. We can able to share you the platform. You can consider us as a Kaggle for AI agents. If I talk about us, so HiDevs is a developer community platform. Whatever the things that we are doing on the community part, we are doing on the platform itself. Okay, so you will click on the Google agent develop agent series, and then you have a two option. You can be the part of the volunteer as well. So if you want to be part of volunteer and you are thinking I am a best volunteer in the whole world, okay, so in that situation what is going to be happen, you can be the part of the Google hackathon as a volunteer. Top 25 people are going to be the part of as a volunteer for this hackathon. Lot of people are already started, as you can see. Okay, and if you want to submit your hackathon, submit your agent, then there is one option. You can go to the nomination. You can submit your agent. If you don't know how to build agent, then you are on the best place. In next 3 days, we will going to be cover our first agent and build the your first agent. If you already built, then we will give you the suggestions how you can improve it. If I talk about the leaderboard, so this is the leaderboard. As you can see, lot of people are already on the first rank, second, third. Lot of people are doing a lot of things. So I think this is the time that you can able to showcase your work in front of all over the world. Okay, so this is all about the program it is. So I know there are a lot of people who are raising your hand. I will request to everyone, please with me, I will give you the chance. So yes, can you please explain the submission part again? We will send you this recording again so you can able to see. We will send you the submissions details over the email, so that will be helpful to you. Okay, but I can explain you one more time. Submit your agent. You have to give the details, your name. I will zoom it, LinkedIn profile, GitHub profile if you have, the referral code if you have, the agent name, what is your name of agent, description of your agent, what agent, how is your agent is different, what major blocks did you face while building AI agent, what are the tech stack, other tech stack, agent thumbnail, problem statement. There's a lot of other problem statement that soon we are going to be live. Our team is working on, so you can select from there as well. Repository link if you have, but we need a proper video and the live demo link. That doesn't mean ki if your agent is working on your local, it should be work on the public URL as well. Okay, so that's the process of its work. Mohammed, yes. Can we get the summary of you will get the recorded session of this video on the platform itself, so you can go and explore from there. So no issues. Okay, Devika. Okay, so let's start our session. Let me share my image. Give me a bit. Okay, hope screen is visible. The flow diagram that you can able to see. Okay, that's great. Now I will request to everyone just focus on the session and stop sending the emojis. Okay, so you can able to take 100% advantage of the session. So whenever that we are doing any kind of the AI agent related work, so there are the few things. Okay, so before jumping on this, I will give you the information here. So what are that things? Okay, so you have the AI agent, you have tools, you have memory. Okay, then you have the prompt engineering. Okay, and you have RAG. Okay, then you have the evaluations. Okay, and deployment. Okay, so AI agents, tools, memory, prompt engineering, RAG, evals, and deployment. Okay, so this is what it is. So now we want to understand how we can able to be learn all these things in next 3 days. Okay, so I will put it in the proper sequence. So first prompt engineering come into the picture, then you have RAG. I will explain every little thing, so don't worry about it. And you have the memory, then you have the tools, then you have the evals. Okay, then you have the deployment, and here you have the AI agent. So this is a sequence. And once you will complete all this thing, okay, if I will say you are going to be complete all these things, so what is going to be happen? Okay, bring forward. Bring forward. Yes, done. So in that case, what is going to be happen? This particular thing is known as AI agent. The combination of prompt engineering, RAG, memory, tools, evals, and deployment is known as AI agent. And how it's going to be? So let's start with the prompt engineering. So whatever that we are doing currently on the Gemini, okay, if I will come on the Gemini and I will say, okay, you are a chatbot of the customer support. Company name is Swiggy, and you have to behave like a human but powered by AI. For this, give me a system prompt. Okay, so whatever that I'm doing here, that's known as prompt engineering. So prompt means I'm giving something to the LLM, and then on the base of that, I am getting something out of it. So now let's see what I'm going to be get it. So system Swiggy customer support system prompt. Okay, so it's generating. Let's see. Okay, so it is about there. So role definition is you are frontier customer support AI for Swiggy, India's leading food delivery. You must have behaved with this. This is your brand voice. This is the core direction, directives, scenarios, handling protocols, guardrails, examples. So this is a prompt. So prompts means the instructions has been given to your system. System means LLM. So LLM where that all the things are currently going on. Okay, we have the different kinds of the LLMs. So what levels of the LLMs we have currently, if I talk about, so we have, let's zoom in a little bit. So we have Gemini, we have Llama from Facebook, we have Claude, we have ChatGPT, we have Mistral, okay, and we have Kimi, okay, GLM. So there are a lot of the open source and closed source LLMs are available in the market. So whenever we are talking to the all the LLMs, the only single input that we need, which is prompt, and prompt have the different types, either text or audio or video or speech, that can be anything. Okay, but we need at least one, either text, audio, video, or speech. After that, it's going to be converted to the text only. Okay, that's the nature of our system. So that's what that we need it as a prompt. So when you are keep on doing, now I will tell to this particular chatbot that this is good, but this is good, but I need long and detailed system prompt, and make sure that this should behave like a human being. Okay, should be behave like a human being only, but powered by AI. So based on that, make the changes in the system prompt. Enter. Let's see what is going to be happen. Now identity and core is all of tone, voice, behavior, blueprint, conversational flow standard. What was that? SOP, standard operating procedure. Okay, guardrails, edge cases, everything. Again, this is the human-like things that we have been given. But still, you are a Swiggy support, which is bad. Humans should have their own name. So what now we will give? This is good now, but sorry, not now, but human have name, a name, personal details. Here I want to create like a human being. So based on that, add the details a human being have. So this is a way that you have to take the information from any LLM tool or AI tool that you folks are using on your daily life. You're getting my point. So you cannot be expect, okay, with the one query or the one prompt, I am going to be get something like a genie out of it and give me the my proper wish. No, this is not going to be happen. Still, when you have the genie, hope you know about the Aladdin. Aladdin has the genie. So when Aladdin is asking for the wish to the genie, they he is also asking some other details as well. So in that scenario, everyone needs the detail. Without details, nothing is going to be possible. So then we have now a name, Dev, a senior support success specialist as Swiggy. So everything is available. Location, personality, personal, AI awareness, everything is given. Robotic. Okay. Now I will tell. Now give me a full and final system prompt. Okay. So let's see. This is a full and final system identity. Cognizant framework, conversational, standard operating procedure, everything is here. Everything. Read, just a read and see what you are getting it. I will copy paste somewhere else so you guys can able to read it. Okay, now read. So you will able to get to know. So system identity, framework, conversational architecture, standard operating procedure, everything is here. Now I will copy this. I will open one more Gemini tab. I will share this here and paste it. Okay. Okay. Oh, wait. I have to copy here and then here. Enter. See, I'm Deb, Swiggy AI specialist, current status. I am fully online and ready to execute. Now this is your prompt, and I have been given the prompt. Okay. Now I will ask, who are you? Let's see. Answer now. See, I am Dev, Swiggy AI specialist, Bangalore. Completely understand the chaos of the internet traffic. Okay. What you can do for me? And I think you are a robot, or are you a human being or a robot, or AI agent? Let's ask something like this. Let's click on the answer now. Think me of the human agent. Clever answer. Who just types really fast. Nice. This is nice. Great. So this is how whatever that you are doing. Okay. So here, if I will share this screen, so here you are doing, okay, this is your use case. You are trying to generate some system prompt, and then once your requirement is completed, then you are going back to the Gemini and start using it. So this is a basic conversation that in day-to-day life that we are doing. Okay. Till now, anyone have any questions? I'm happy to answer before getting to the next topic. So you can ask into Q&A. I'm giving you the 2 minutes. Please go ahead. Just type your questions. I will answer it in next 2 minutes, every question. Okay. Okay, where to get the system prompt? You can going to be use any LLM tool, any AI, and go over there and just do whatever that I did it, and then you will get the system prompt. I understood the concept, but is there any fees? No, we are the community. We don't charge any fees. Whatever that we are doing is part of the community engagement, community work. So there's a no fee. But yeah, we are expecting seriousness. We are expecting your mindset should be great, so others can able to help you and you can able to help others as well. Okay, how we will create the persona to act as a mentor to assist us in the project from the scratch. So whatever that I did, you can just do same to same, use any LLM like Gemini, Chat GPT, give your requirement and just say them, you can go and use it. Okay, but you created in Gemini, right? But how to deploy and use this regularly? Yes, we are going to be cover this as well in this session of series. So you will able to get to know how to prompt like a AI as a human. So all the information that you have to give to the AI. Okay, so how to prompt like as AI as a human, you have to give the emotions to the AI. You have to give the feelings to the AI. You have to give the details of the AI, and you have to decline that, uh, and you have to add this all information in your system prompt. Then only you can able to do it. What are the different methods of the prompting like best practice? There's no single best practice are available in the market. Okay, you have to keep on hit and try, the multiple methods are available. If I talk about the few of the methods, okay, so I can able to give you the that as well. So give me a bit, I will show you the few methods which are available. So this is the methods are available. Okay, techniques: zero shot, few shot, chain of thoughts. So example, zero shot prompting. Okay, so in zero shot prompting, what is going to be happen? So you have the prompt. Okay, so this is a prompt. If I talk about, this is your system prompt, and if I will give the zero example in this one, then this is a zero shot. If I will give the more than one example, okay, then it will become a few shot prompting. If I will give the something like this chain of thoughts, now I will ask everyone here, just have a look on this image and tell me what are the difference between the standard prompting and chain of thoughts. Please go ahead. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Okay, now tell me what are the difference. So till that I will answer the other questions. If I reach your Bangalore office, yes, you can able to come. There's a no fee for guiding and mentoring, but we need a serious people and who can expect our time so we can expect your queries. So can you please summarize? We will send you the recording. You can able to get it from there. If I will provide the data, ask it, analyze, will it behave like the dev or anything else? So it will first ask you and then it will behave such a way that what you have been given to it. Okay. Can you please summarize? So yes, we will send you the everything on the email so you can take the details from there. There's a WhatsApp link as well. So team will be send you the WhatsApp link. You can able to join it and get it from there. Okay. So yeah, tell me, the output is more detailed via the chain of thoughts. Okay, chain of thoughts gives explanation. It's just explaining the thought process, behavior, arrival of the solution. What else? Difference in the first prompt, like the answer is 1 second. Let me just Okay, yeah, got it. Okay, so I'm not able to, oh, sorry, this is not a question. Now I'm getting it. Okay, so chain of thoughts. The difference is the first prompt that answer is specific in a single line, like a direct answer. The second prompt, the answer is explained neatly in the prompt, so output is correct. Yes, Mohammed, you are right. Chain of thoughts give the working example. Yes, working example. Okay, connecting each step. Yes, chain of thought inside the explanation. We can evaluate, move to the next step. Yes, step by step analysis in the chain of thought is more accurate to easy to find mistakes. Yes. So I think most of the people know about what actually happening on the screen. Okay. Now, if I will give you the example of the derivation or the some kind of the formula that we keep on using in the mathematics of our after 7th or 10th standard. So where that we are explaining everything. Okay. To prove LHS equal to RHS. Hope everything everyone is remember. You can react with emojis. No need to be type. Yes, yes. Oh, that's great. So that's why what I am trying to say here in the chain of thoughts, if we will able to see, okay, I will copy this image. I will come on my this one. Okay. So let's share this. Okay. Standard prompting, chain of thoughts. Okay. So in this one, what is happening? I'm giving a proper derivation. Okay, so how Roger started with the 5 balls, 2 cans of the 3 tennis ball, each one have the 6, then 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. So I'm giving the proper derivation. How the particular person is coming to the, how the particular person is coming to the answer. On the basis of that, I'm going to give you a proper explanation. So the more better way you will explain, okay, the more better way that you will explain to the LLM, the more better way that you can able to learn the things. That's the whole game. That's the whole game, to be honest with you. Okay, so that's why we have to be not directly going to be use it, what I can say, this one. Okay, so this is the answer 11. No, it will not work out. You have to explain it, how the system, how the problem that you have been solved. On the base on that only, that it is going to be understand. The way that we are understanding the things, the same way that LLM is also understanding the thing. Hope everyone is on the same page. So chain of thought, also known as a few shot prompting. Yes, it can be, but the proper thoughts are connected to each other and making a chain. So that's the known as the chain of thoughts. Okay. So there are the different types are available. Okay. Meta prompting is available. I'm sharing this link with you folks. Okay. After completing this session. So stay in the session, lot of things are coming. Okay, now we have the tree of thoughts. Now this is also very good image, so let's come with here. Yeah, now see, now tell me what is here. I'm giving you again 2 minutes. The level of the brittling is keep on increasing, divided the sub problem and receiving the output at and tree of thoughts is giving the LLM to think about the choice. Yes, yes, Sumit, you are 100% right. Based on the input and output produce. So no, actually, inner tree of thoughts. Again, whatever that Sumit is saying is 100% right. Good job, Sumit. LLM to think about the options and choices. The same way that if you want to order a biryani, then you have the multiple option. You can go and take your Activa or your bike and buy it from the restaurant as a dive-in. Okay, you can able to order from the Swiggy, Zomato, Uber Eats, any other online application. You have the option. Based on the option and your convenience, you are taking the decision. That's known as the tree of thoughts, because each of the particular option have the multiple choices, multiple nodes. On the basis of that, I am making the decision. I need an offer, so I think Swiggy is giving the better offer but taking so much time. Zomato is giving the less offer but service is very fast. And for now, I need to be save time, so I will go with the Zomato. Here, if I want to save the money, I have the lot of time. Okay, so in that case, I will go with the Swiggy. If I don't want to go with the offline because I don't believe the quality of the food is what level it's going to be delivered, and I also want to be go and take a round of the market as well. So that's why what I will choose a single straightforward that I will go and collect from the restaurant itself. So this is how that based on the choices you are taking the decision. Hope everyone on the same page, able to understand. So again, there's a no fixed solutions is available. You have to keep on changing on the based on the use case, so then only you will able to get to know. Give the best prompt among all the possible. There is a no best. Okay, give the best prompt along the all possible. Yes. Explore several path before coming to conclusion. Yes, Mohammed. Okay, so most of the people are on the same page, so that's great. So this is all about the prompt engineering. Now I will ask you a little bit one more question. What are the disadvantages that you are seeing of the prompt engineering? Okay, just think about. Again, I will give 1 to 2 minutes. Please have a think about it. What are the disadvantages are available? Okay, we have the good questions. Sorry, answers. Forget the context over the conversation. More token use. There's a though no connection between the tokens, may require the multiple prompting to get the results. We are not focusing on the coding part because of the wrong prompt. More time is taken to produce the answer. Sometimes it doesn't get the exact idea what we are thinking. Okay, increase in output time. Agents think every time they overhype the scenario. Okay, hallucinate, increase the prompt. Response might not consistent. Basically, we are copy paste, don't even read the prompt, generally detail what we are actually trying to do. This is good, Pawan. Very good point. They may be the disadvantage like doing things without this actual knowledge, time consuming, can't do get the accurate answer, uses of more water resources to cool the data center. This is good one. Striking to the one of the type of prompt may good to the for the one answer, not for the others. The model developed by the prompt may not cater to all the needs. Yes, I think every person should have the different prompts, so results may vary from human to human. I think there are a lot of reasons that you all of have been given, but the one of the major thing which is missing that I will tell you, which is if some response required paid subscription by yes. So I have the one poll. Okay, I just so do you need okay do you need so I'm doing okay. So do you need, so this is the question. Okay, I am doing as a poll. Done. Poll publish. Done. So do you need AI credits? Because a lot of people are talking about the AI credits. Okay, tokens. So okay. Percentage is 16, 17. So no one is choosing the last one. Why? Okay, only 5% people are saying 66 percentage, 67. Okay, so I will publish the result. Most of the people say that they need a API credits. Okay, so we will tell you how you can able to get it from our platform. Okay, so that's not an issue. So back to the prompt engineering. So I will tell you what are the like what I can say. There's one word, hallucination. Yes. So when we talk about the hallucination, what is happening? So when you have the lake of data, okay, if I will ask you any question, or the interviewer or your parents, okay, or your level of the answer that you can able to give. Okay, so in that duration, what is going to be happen? You will start hallucinating. Either you will say, I don't know, okay, or you will say something random. Okay, you are trying to making the things. Okay, so in that scenario you are hallucinating. Why you are hallucinating? Because you don't know the information, you don't have the information, you have the lack of knowledge. So in that scenario, what is going to be happen? The things which you don't know and you are trying to predict, which is wrong because your knowledge is very limited, that known as the hallucination. So that's why if I will talk here, if I will go to my chatbot, okay, this is my chatbot. So I will ask, what is the profit of your company uh, happen in last 1 year? Let's see. Oh, wait, searching for the web, which I don't want to be. Don't use any external information. Honestly, as a customer support spend my day to focus, I don't have the corporate finance sheet. Yes. So this is what actually the customer support is decline. They don't have the information. And when they don't have the information, they will directly say, okay, we don't know about it. Okay. So in that scenario, what we can say that this is the hallucination because they don't know the information. Now, if I talk about one more thing, okay, how you can able to then build any use case where that company should need a proper solution on their chatbot. Okay, or if I will say how I can say key customer support chatbot that you are building, and it should be on the Swiggy data, which is very tough. How you can able to build it? In that scenario, the solution is coming to the picture that's known as say you show you sorry to here it is RAG. So that's known as the our solution, which is RAG. Got it? Okay. Now, if I will say what is the definition of RAG, so what is RAG in AI? Okay. So I will go to my Gemini. I will ask. I will share the screen. Here it is. So simple terms, a technique, a search engine, so we can look up for the facts, documents before answering. Okay, from the specific document before answering your question instead of relying what actually happening on training data. Yes, this is true. Now I will explain you. Okay, how it actually work. So when you build any LLM, okay, if I will come here, LLM training. LLM training happen on past data. Okay, we have the past data. Example till 2024. Everything till 2024. Whatever happened after 2024, let's see, from 25, LLM don't have any data. So this is the reason that AI tools, or not AI tools, my bad, AI agents need RAG, a solution where we will give some information, okay, of our data. Okay, we will give the some information of our data and append with the our system prompt and give to the LLM. So once I have all this information, then the LLM can able to answer it. Okay. Now I will show you how we can able to do it. So currently, when I ask what is the profit of your company, here it is not available. Now I will copy this question. I will go to my prompt. Okay. And I will say, few of my users are asking questions like this. So I need a knowledge base where basic level of information should be available in the prompt, so user able to get the answers. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so now our Swiggy integration, okay, chatbot is going to be ready. So now we will see what the information is available. See, this is some data is available. Conversational architecture, standard operating procedure, everything is here. Now I will copy. Okay, I will open one more tab. I will give to this new tab and hit enter, and let's wait. Then again we will ask the question. Now it is here. So we'll ask how. Just flashlight. I change the model of, okay, how, okay. Now I will ask the same question. Okay, I will copy this question. Now I have the data in the prompt already. As you can see, I will show you. Here is the built-in knowledge base. See. So now, see, now we have the data. So this is known as the RAG. When you are giving the information or the external data sources to your prompt or the system prompt, whatever that you want to be say, mostly it's known as the system prompt. So in that situation, what is going to be happen? You have the data available. If you have the data is available in your prompt, then you will able to get to the answers of your question which are related to the knowledge base. Okay, so that's known as a RAG. Everyone on the same page? Anyone have any questions? Again, I will give 2 minutes. You can ask me. I'm here to answer you. Can RAG handle data like pandas? Panda is not a data. Panda is a frame, is a library. Okay, so this is not a data. This is a library. Next, please. Doesn't retrieve from the external source. Yes, you can able to retrieve from the external source if we will able to give the data from the Google search, Bravo, Yahoo, external API, anything. So if we will connect our database, then we can able to do it. Okay, so just like AI to build another agent without having the actually code on the application. Is it? Oh, I didn't get your question, sorry. Yeah, anyone else? Let's suppose I have the large source of data. Can I provide to the my AI agent? I will come on that point. Yes, you can able to give it, but there is some limitations. So I will come on that point. Anyone have any questions other than this? Okay. Okay. Now come to the very specific and very important topic, which is give you a lot of information. Okay. So before getting on that point, how many people are here? So no, let me ask you, can anyone tell me which particular model of the phone that you are using? Anyone who just give the first reply, I will take the his question answer. Okay, Vivo Y400. Okay, so what is the memory has been used till now? Vivo Y400. Who is the person? Pawan. Okay, okay, 50 GB used. Okay, now I will give a story, small story. Okay, so I will go to my this one. I have Vivo Y400 and used 50 GB. Okay, till now. Okay, used 50 GB till now that have text, images, applications, videos, WhatsApp. What else I can say? Call history. And I want to create, okay, I'm telling you guys, I want to create a chatbot which will take all the data of my phone and give me a proper answer. Okay, so this is what that I have. Now give me a calculation of how many tokens my phone still have till now. Okay, let's see. Calculating. Okay, so approximately, okay, we don't need this one. 10 million to over a billions of token in single phone. Okay, so one single phone. If I will tell you, you are working in a company, okay, and company name is Swiggy, okay, and you have to build something. Okay, some UI is there. Okay, this is nice. Okay, estimated token is very high. Okay, so yes, we have approximately something like this. And now you are working in a Swiggy like company, and your manager told you build a AI agent. Okay, build a AI agent, and based on the data available in the Swiggy, you have to give a proper uh, like chatbot or AI agent filling. Okay, this is what that you have to be do. In that scenario, if you will pull all of the data which is available, okay, in the company, then can you able to imagine the data of that Swiggy and Zomato, what level that they have, which is insane. And there is one image I will show you guys. Okay, so this is a leaderboard. Okay, context size. So if I talk about the context size of the each of the model which is available currently in the market, which is very less, very less, it's 1 million. Okay, it's 1 million 256K. So what that mean? You cannot able to send more than that token in each of the your system prompt, and also there's the output limit. So not more than this of the output that you will able to get. So output is okay, you will not able to get this more than this one, but what about the input? If you have the limit of the 1 million, then how you will able to send the lot of the information to the AI agent? Can anyone able to give me the answer? How you can able to do it if we have the limitation? Anyone? Please go ahead. Okay, I think people are typing. Let's wait. Okay, clustering in chunks, optimization by removal, break into small pieces and combines, use rag, the oldest data goes away. So clustering is wrong answer, chunks right answer, optimization wrong, break into the small, its chunks is equal to the chunks, use rag, okay, the oldest data go away. Always remember, do not delete the data. The data is the gold, the data is the new oil. So the more data, the more understanding of the user that you have from the perspective of data analysis. So you cannot go away the data. Okay, so you have to divide it. Now I will show you one image. That's where that we started our session. This is that image. Now think on this image, what is happening in this image, and tell me. Have a look on this image and try to understand. Okay, I will explain. Okay. So machine learning, no, can you send this images? We will send you everything. Don't worry. Everything will be given to you. Just stay available on WhatsApp group and email. Okay. Here is a collected from the sources that processing by data engine after that splitting into chunks store in the vector database. Devans, tell me frankly which LLM model you use to analyze this image. Okay, so let's start. Okay. Devans, I'm just kidding. So you should be available. Okay, so I will explain you. So basically what is happening here, so very simple thing it's happening. Let me go to my image. Yes, here it is. So you have the lot of different types of the data sources. Okay, when you are working in a company, that doesn't mean that you have only single data source, or you have the data which is available only into the single format, available only at this one place. No, this is not going to be happen. ये नहीं होने वाला है, ये बिल्कुल नहीं होने वाला है. Lot of time you have the different types of the data, different formats, okay, and available at the different places. You have to collect the FAQ database, customer support, product doc, different file format, okay, and after that you have to clean it, you have to structure it, you have to format it, because there are different types of the data is available. So in that scenario, what you have to do, you have to collect the data, you have to clean the data, you have to structure the data, you have to format the data into the single format. Then you have to split it. Once you will split it and create a small chunks. So how many people know about the, or how many people have the experience of what I can say, packers and movers? How many people have the experience of packers and movers? I think most of the people have. Okay. So in that scenario, what packers and movers are doing? They are doing very simple and straightforward thing. What is this? What is that? They are doing a proper boxes of your whole house stuff in the small, medium, large, extra small, this kind of the things that they are doing. So the transportation going to be very easy. So that's the same thing that we are trying to do here. So we are splitting and creating the small chunks. Then we are putting into the vector DB. Now why vector DB? Because all the LLMs, okay, all the LLMs are built on mathematics models. Okay, all the LLMs are built on mathematics model. In that scenario, we need to be converted into the numbers. We need to be converted into the matrix. So with the help of the embedding model, so there are two different kinds of the models are available in the market. The one is the LLM model or multimodal model. LLM means who works on the only text. Multimodal means works on the text, images, audio, video, and few of the model work on the embedding. We are creating the different types of the matrices. That's known as the embedding model. Okay, so in that scenario, what is going to be happen? We are creating a proper matrix, putting into the vector DB, or we can say we are creating a vector and putting into a proper kind of vector DB, and based on that, we can able to retrieve it whenever we need it. So then this is whole process that known as the transformation of multiple data sources to knowledge base. So this is how that you can able to create your whole data, multiple sources, data processing engine, splitting, vector DB, embedding model, because we have the data into the text, we have to convert into the vector, we will put into the vector DB. This process is known as to create the knowledge base or transformation of the multiple data sources to the knowledge base. And this is how that we can able to create our RAG pipeline. So RAG pipeline means we have the data which is available on the vector DB. Whenever I will ask the question, I will go to my DB, I will retrieve the data based on my DB, and then I will give to my AI agent, and I will able to get the answer. This is what it is known as RAG. That's it. Nothing more than this. Got it? Anyone have any questions? So this is the RAG. This is the process. This is known as the solution where that most of the hallucination models are there. So this is all about it is. Okay, now this is all about for today. Now I'm giving you the 2 to 4, 5 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes we will talk. Okay, and you can ask your questions. Raise your hand. I will give you the mute, unmute or mute option, and you can ask your question. And tomorrow we will do the proper coding, whatever that we have learned today. Can you explain the embedding part? Yes. So embedding model is a different kinds of the model. With the help of it, we can able to create a vector. Okay. So I will show you the vector matrix. Okay. I have an image embedding model. You have to go to Google, just do this particular thing, embedding model, go to images, and you have something like this. You have object embedding model, and you will be able to create something like this. Something like this. Got it? Something like this. Something like this. Got it? So this is embedding model. Time wasting session. Okay, no issue. Yaswaj. Feedback taken, and I will suggest do not join next session, so your time will be saved. Okay, you can spend your time on YouTube Reels. Sir, can you please explain how RAG retrieve data? Yes, so we will put everything on the vector DB. Any vector DB that you can use, we will tell you which is the best vector DB available in the market. Okay, and with the help of that vector DB, you can retrieve the data. So there is some process, some Python coding is there that I will explain you tomorrow, so you will able to understand it. Okay, the same way that where we are doing on the what I can say a MongoDB or some other kind of the DB. So from where I got the notes, everything is going to be you will get in the WhatsApp group. We will share you the WhatsApp group. Okay, so then you can able to use it. Okay, regarding internship, feeling difficulty to build a project, how to seek help, stay connected with the next 3 days. You will able to make sure that first AI agent you will able to build it. What do you need for coding? Like any basic requirement, prompt engineering or independent where different tech stack? We are going to use Python. I will explain you prompt engineering and other things. So don't worry. So do you think time is a physical constraint? Do you think time is a I didn't get you, Tarun. How the top people get selected? I told you already. So there's a proper process to get selection. Okay, so we will send you that PDF as well. But as of now, 50% based on your what I can say, your agent evaluation that our team will do. 25% votes, 25% is feedback that you will collect from your network. Okay, WhatsApp group has been given already. So you can, good explanation, sir. This was above my expectation when I joined first for the meeting. Thank you, Pawan. I think you have to give this feedback to Yashas so he can able to understand what value that you get from this session. Okay. Would it be correct to set the prompt engineering, let us program an AI agent using instruction and configuration instead of writing? Yes, absolutely right. Sir, after 3 days, can I target for my first internship? Yes, you can do it, Athar. 100%. Thank you so much, Deepak. Learn a lot. Hi, Narendra. I think uh, I'm getting the person who is Narendra is. Thank you so much. It was very good explanation, sir. Can you please Simakan DSA? Yes, we can send you that details as well. I have understood so much today. Definitely join tomorrow. Thank you so much. Now I have the few polls for everyone here. Give me a bit. I will pull up the polls one by one, and it will help you as well. Okay. Sir, ignore the sir. He's a silly boy. Thank you so much for the session. And if you guys want to be shared on the YouTube, on the LinkedIn, we will share you the screenshot. You can tag me and uh, just put it. This is my LinkedIn. Okay. This is our AI house. This is our platform. And this is our company. So that will help you. Okay. Are there other classes? Yes, this session is going to be happen for the next 3 days. Opportunity, yes, you can able to get it. Let me pull up the polls. I forget. I think something going wrong here. Okay, now I got it. What is happening? Okay, so poll is here. Please vote.